lovely people, 80s Obsessed here again with another 80s fancy dress tutorial. Today we are doing Strawberry Switchblade, and for this costume you will need a hot glue gun, some fake flowers that I got from Hobbycraft, some black and white spotty ribbon which I also got from Hobbycraft, a hairband that I got from Poundland, and that is the wig that I used for the Boy George tutorial, which I believe I got from eBay. So the ribbon has already been pre-cut to 1 meter, and I'm just folding it in half and cutting it in two. We need to remove the flowers from the stem. They are on wire stems, so you will just need to give them a little bit of a pull to take them off, but it's pretty easy. Now we're going to hot glue these to the hairband. It is a little bit tricky, but bear with it, it does work. Okay, so now we are going to attach the ribbon, again just using a little bit of hot glue gun and wrapping the ribbon around the hairband. Moving on to the hair, I'm using my hairdresser's dummy. I thought it would be easier than trying to do it on my own head. I'm going to leave the fringe, but the rest of the hair I'm going to back comb. Now to get the lift that we need, I'm just moving from both sides some of the hair up over and on top of the head, and I'm going to use a little bit of hairspray. The hairspray doesn't do as good a job as it does on real hair. Obviously this is not real hair, so it doesn't do a great job, but it does help towards keeping it in place, and I use a few little bobby pins just to hold it and make sure that it stays where I want it to stay. Okay, so moving on to makeup, I'm using Rimmel Match Perfection foundation. Going in with a concealer. This, as I've said before, this is a tattoo cover-up. This is not actually a concealer per se. I just find that it's very difficult to find a match for my skin colour because I'm so pale. Everything always looks either orange or pink on my skin, but this works pretty well. We're just going to fix that in place with number 7 translucent loose powder. So going in with the eyes now, we're using a black eyeshadow. We're going to take this completely over the eyelid and up to the crease of the eye. And then we're going to take it out to the corner. Oh, this is such an easy makeup to do. It's pretty much just black eyeshadow, black mascara, black eyeliner and red lipstick. I think most people would have that in their makeup bag, so it's pretty easy. So going in with some black eyeliner, we're going to go from corner to corner. Go as thick as you like with this, no rules. And I am using my trick of pulling my eye to one side. I don't know if anybody watching has the same issue that I have. My skin is not as taut as it used to be, so when I try to do eyeliner, I find that it drags my skin. So I find if I taut my skin, then I can get a much better line. So taking that under the eye as well and into the corners. So we're going in with some black eyeshadow now. Just filling in that corner, and we're going to take it out onto the nose into a point. The brush I'm using, I believe I got that from Primark. It's double-ended, and the end that I was just using there has no makeup on it at all, and I'm using it just to smudge the line underneath there and make it so that it's not so harsh. So using the black eyeshadow to create that wing effect. We're not actually doing a wing per se. We're just taking it out to a point. So we're going to do the waterline now with a black eyeliner again, and now in with some black mascara. Well, we're going to fill in the eyebrows with the same black eyeshadow. And we're going to finish off with some bright red lipstick. So there are two ladies in the band. We have Rose McDowell. She wore white with black spots in the video for a video called Since Yesterday. And the other lady is Jill Bryson, and she wore the black with white spots. So the makeup I'm doing that I've copied is the Rose McDowell makeup. Her lips are her bottom lip is slightly bigger than her top lip, so I'm just going over my natural lip line just to create that. So going on to the actual outfits, starting with Jill Bryson, belt from Primark, top from Primark, and going on to Rose McDowell. The top is from Primark and the skirt is from eBay. That is also from eBay. That's for Rose costume, and so is the gloves. She wears a necklace, but it's I couldn't find a necklace, so that collar is the closest I could get to it. You're going to want to cut the fingers off the long gloves because she has them fingerless. And this is some felt, and we're going to cut out lots of circles. Doesn't matter what size the circles are, and they don't have to be perfect. I chose felt because I thought it will just move with your clothes a bit more nicely. So we're just going to use a hot glue gun to stick these on, and we're just going to put them on haphazardly all over. They are a little bit fiddly. So the skirt for Jill Bryson, I didn't have a rah-rah skirt that was long, so I'm wearing two separate skirts to create the effect. And that's it. That's the look.
Just close your eyes and then remember.
I had so much fun doing this outfit. I absolutely loved it. Let me know in the comments below how you think I did, and until next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye.